In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Monday.com. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your Monday.com account in a web browser. We'll start from the main homepage of your account, where you can see your workspaces and boards. From the homepage, look towards the main navigation and open the Apps or Marketplace section. This is where Monday.com lets you add integrations and extensions. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search field so it's active, and then type the word Trello. Give it a second, and you should see the Trello integration appear in the search results. In the list of results, look for the option that mentions tracking the progress of your cards and staying updated with your boards. This is the official Trello integration for Monday.com. Click on that result to open its details page. On this page, you'll see more information about what the integration does and how it connects Trello cards with Monday.com items. Here, make sure you're on the built-in tab or section, which shows the native integration recipes. Then, click on the button that says Use App. This tells Monday.com that you want to add this integration to one of your own boards. Next, Monday.com will ask you where to use the app. Start by choosing a board. Click on the Choose a Board drop-down, and from the list that appears, select the project board you want to connect with Trello. If you see similar board names, take a moment to confirm you're picking the right one, since this is where your Trello cards will sync. After selecting your board, you'll be prompted to choose a workspace. Click on Choose a Workspace, and then pick the workspace that contains that project board. This helps keep your integration organized inside Monday.com, especially if you're managing multiple teams or departments. Once your board and workspace are selected, click on Add App to confirm. Now you'll see the integration recipes. Look for the one that says something like, when a card is added or updated in this board, create an item and sync future changes from Trello. Click on that to set it up. You'll see a few highlighted fields or options you can adjust, such as which Trello board to connect or how items should sync. When you're ready, click on Connect. At this point, Monday.com will ask you to authorize access to your Trello account. You'll sign into Trello and approve the connection so Monday.com can use your Trello authorization token behind the scenes. Once authorization is complete, your Trello and Monday.com accounts are integrated. From now on, when a card is added or updated in the connected Trello board, a corresponding item will be created and kept in sync in your chosen Monday.com board.